Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, to be honest, I kind of already opened them up, but I got my Glow Addict boxes. I got May's right here, and then April's. I literally just got this maybe between Wednesday to Friday, one of those 3 days. It's kind of disappointing that they lost it and then they found it. So who knows? So I already seen kind of like what I got. But I just figured I'd show you guys what I got. The Glow Addict box, I forget how much it costs a month, but you get a good amount of beauty products. Yeah, so they didn't give me a card for either of them, which is kind of disappointing in my personal opinion, but whatever, I guess. So I got made with hemp reusable eye wipes. So I don't know what you do with the eye wipes or anything, which I'm assuming I'll figure that out sooner or later, but I got 2 eye wipes right here. I guess in April it was more of like something with hemp. I don't know. The second item is Blushing Babe. CBD Rosy Lip Cheek Balm. I don't know who it is by, but it's a little package. It's like this big. I thought it was kind of cute, so. Ooh. Well, that's cool. It smells good. I'll probably use it more on the lips than the cheeks, since it's more of a since it's blushing lips, but I like it. Alright, the next item, Shimmertizer Natural Alcohol Shimmer and Infused Lotion. Oh, it's oil. But it's lotion? How is it lotion? It smells like berries with alcohol in it, like way too much alcohol. But it actually, like, I've been like so dry because of like where we have to like wash our hands continuously. It literally like softened up my like hands, so it's really nice moisture. 9 Fears Cosmetics. This is like really blurry. So ingredients: 95% alcohol, natural alcohol, aloe vera, vitamin E oil, shimmer, strawberry scent, and glycerin. I don't know. Sorry, you guys, I'm really tired. So, I did my workout this morning, and then not only that, Tyler and I had gotten ready to head to the store. He sold one of his transmissions and all that great stuff. This is Daily Green CBD face oil. That's cool. It's like has a shimmer right at the bottom right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know. I've never tried. It smells good. I hope this doesn't make my face oily. After this video, just so you guys know, after this video gets loaded, I will be also posting all of my stuff that I got in my pharmacy box, which I should seriously it's literally just right behind me. I like this. It adds like moisture to the face a little. Like I can feel it like working. It's nice. I like it. I like that a lot. Alright, so my next thing is Sativa by Flaunt Beauty infused with cannabis sticky. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna keep that box. So here is, well, maybe I will keep it like somewhat nice, you know? Just not gonna keep the plastic. So here it is what it looks like, and like really cute colors. I like it. It's interesting. Ooh, they're like really nice and soft. Oh my. So here are the first 3 shades, and looks like it has like, well, the first 2 shades look really good. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think that would be, this would actually would have been really good for like March. All right. And then the next 3 shades. Wow, this is like really soft. Let's see how yellow turns out, because usually a lot of yellow eyeshadows are like really bad. Oh, it's not horrible. It's actually really good transition stuff. I don't know. Interesting. Let me get some wipes. Alright, and my next box will be my May box. This month is May. Yeah, May. So I'm gonna open up my May box in just a minute. If you guys are thinking about getting the Glow At It box, I do like it. Just wait till after the COVID is done, just because I literally just got my April box this week. So they're great. They have amazing products, which I can tell you guys what the prices are as soon as I get done with this video. But yeah. So here is my May box. Like I said, I don't have a card, so I would have told you like what the total value is on both. But all right, so I got a brush by 1520 brand, and it came in with that. There was some stuff that came out, but it's a nice brush. It's more, it looks like a eye brush, but obviously I'll try it out soon. Put that in there. Got some, oh my. Are you serious? Maybe I got 2 April boxes? No. Maybe. I really don't know. Because it's 420 somewhere. Got some fake lashes. They actually look, ooh, they're nice and soft. They look really cute. I'm excited to try them. I'm just a bit confused just because where I thought this, maybe, I don't know. Ooh, these are cruelty free. That's exciting. I'm excited to get these tried on. I'll definitely be doing some try-ons very, very, very soon, obviously, because, I mean, you know, I've gotten a whole lot of stuff the last, you know, few days. And then I got a mild black liquid liner by Oculin. Here is the applicator. And I mean, it's nice, but I feel like what is it called? It kind of leaks, but maybe that's just where it's on the skin and not on the eye. I don't know. Who knows? I already seen this. This is the Naked Cosmetics. It's a glitter, and literally half the glitter is gone. So, this is, you can kind of tell. I'm not gonna open it, but it's like a silver glitter, as you can tell. Kind of annoying. I kind of wish that they did not add that in there, but maybe it's just like a filler product. I have no idea. This is the one thing I did not really look in at, just because I don't know, I kind of just wanted to see the surprise with me and like videotaping it and showing you guys as well. But this is Deep Eyes Oaklyn Perfect Stylist Eyes 24 color eyeshadow palette. Oops. I like the case. I'm struggling. I may not be able to save this case as much as I would like to. Or maybe I will. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Beautiful. Ooh. I like. Oh, wow. That looks so pretty. It kind of sucks that they didn't put a mirror in it, but whatever. Has some really pretty colors. Here's some face stuff, blusher, contour, highlight, The eyeshadows smell funny. Looks like a lot of transition neutral colors. Added some pop of color. Oh, and they're soft too. That's like a silver. You guys can barely see that. Here's something. Look at that. That's like a dark blue gray color. Here is another shade. It's like a pink shimmer that's light. Love it. Oh man, I'm so excited to try these out. So excited. Cannot wait. So that's just a few of the colors that I'm going to show you guys on that palette. Like I said, I am going to do another video, but this next video will be mostly on my pharmacy products. If anyone is interested at all to come join on the pharmacy team that I'm on, of course, like, let me know. You can start out on the first starter kit, which is $19.99. No monthly payments, but it's just pretty much a starter kit. Let's see. I'll give you guys what it cost for the Glow Addict box. I really enjoy it, but I think you guys probably would rather wait till after the COVID is done, so you guys don't have to wait on your boxes pretty much a month later. And these are my 2 boxes of pharmacy. So as soon as this one is loaded, I will show you guys my new business that I'm going to start running instead of doing Unique. If anyone is wanting to go on to my business page, it is Patty's Beauty Mark. I'm going to do lives there. I'm going to try to do a live every day till the end of the month at least, and then work around my schedule. So I'll see you guys soon once this is loaded. Bye guys.